Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to log into your Netflix account. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next, and subscribe with notification on to get notified for our future video. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So for this, go to your search engine. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use whichever search engine you want on your phone, and go to your search bar and type Netflix. And once you type Netflix, just enter and click on the Netflix where it says www.netflix.com. Click on it and it's going to take you to this website over here. And if you already have an account, you can just click on sign in. And once you click on sign in, you can enter your email over here and your password of the account. And once you enter your email and password, you can just click on sign in. And if your email and password is correct, then you can log into your Netflix account. So it's that simple. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next, and share it with your friends as well, because this could help them. So yeah, I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.